Hello, dear School First families and teachers.
Welcome to March 22nd, 2026. On the Family Life Skills calendar, today's activity is World Water Day, raising awareness about water conservation and taking action as a family. Let's dive in. Step 1. Only 1% of the Earth's water is available for human use. Discuss why conserving water is crucial for future generations. Step 2. Start small. Turn off the tap while brushing your teeth, fix a leaking faucet, or collect rainwater for your garden. Step 3. Set up a container to collect rainwater for watering plants or cleaning. It's a fun and practical way to save water. Step 4. Keep a chart of your water-saving actions. Celebrate milestones like fixing a faucet or reducing water use. Step 5. Talk about how conserving water helps the planet. Discuss how small actions create big impacts. Let's see what you experienced and learned today. Eco-consciousness, learning sustainable habits, teamwork, working together for a greener future. Celebrate World Water Day by making water conservation a family priority. Thank you for joining us. See you tomorrow. Thanks for joining us today. See you tomorrow for another engaging prompt. School First calendar. Cherish today, celebrate tomorrow. Signing off from you, from the School First team. Thank you and all the best.